Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Little Mermaid on Dress to Impress. Super simple, you only need 5 items. I did use a VIP item for this, but you can change the top to whatever you want, of course. So, removing everything except for the hair, I used this hair in this color, 8B 1013, no adjustments, and I also used this in bangs. In the black bang section, position the X at 0.52, Y 0.52. Okay, all the same, 0.52, rotate the X to 0.42 and scale it to 0.58. Then I use this hair in the same red, position the Y at 0.56, Z 0.6, rotate the X 0.6 and scale it to 0.38. Then for the top, I did use this in no pearls, and I just used this purple color for everything. If you want to have like more dimension, maybe change the like pearls to, I don't know, like a brighter color if you want to. But I'm just going to stick with the darker purple for it. Then for the tail, I'm just going to use the mermaid one here, color it this color, and then this kind of bluish green color, and that's pretty much it. You can obviously make this more your vibe or something, like your aesthetic, because a lot of people would have probably used this already. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.